Stepping through the shadows where the neon lights gleam. Wet asphalt reflecting every vibrant dream. They said I couldn't do it, now I'm running the scene. Yeah, king of the concrete, know what I mean.
Yeah, look, rain dancing on the pavement, night flickers in the glow. I've been building from the basement of the skyline on my flow. Head high, hoodie up, hard drum like a kick. Every step of verse I wrote.
Hey, wait for me! Hold the bus! Wait! Hold the bus!
You're the reason I found the strength. I found a light in the shadow of the night, and it's teaching my heart to.
Cheers to the summit.
It's beautiful, isn't it? And so warm in here.
Here, warm up a bit.
Thanks. It smells amazing.
Secret recipe. Mostly just extra coffee.
Whatever it is, it's perfect.
So's this view.
Welcome back to World News Today. Our top story, the summit concludes with a historic trade agreement boosting markets worldwide. We'll have the details after the break.
Good evening. In tonight's top stories, heavy rain has delayed flights across Mumbai. The rupee gains ground against the dollar, and the Supreme Court scheduled.
I'm already late. Please hurry, I have a flight to catch.
All right, tie straight, breathe, you got this.
Yeah, pulling up now. Gate closes in 40. I'll make it, thanks.
Coffee first, just 1 cup.
Need caffeine, then straight to security.